Hey guys, we're gonna show you our WWE figure collection. So, by the way, these figures are not for trade or sale or free giveaway. So, please don't ask. Let's get started. Here's a basic John Morrison. Basic Series 4, I think, Goldust. Basic Series 1, Triple H. Basic Series, I don't know, but it's basic. Randy Orton.
Wait, where is it?
Jax, basic John Cena.
Hey, he's not in the video. Team Ambrose.
Jax, basic Triple H.
No, he's Team Ambrose.
Next.
You said Hey!
Deluxe Aggression. Jax, Kane.
Hey? I'm gonna get you first. Start that.
Elite Batista. Elite 1, Jeff Hardy.
The custom.
No.
Nah.
Basic Jax Edge.
Custom Cody Rhodes.
Old Edge.
Custom Cody Rhodes. Huh?
No, that's not Cody Rhodes. It's Sandman.
No, it's Cody Rhodes.
Yeah, parts.
Yeah.
Undertaker, Jax.
Yeah. Hey!
Carlito, basic Jax. Basic Series 39, Rob Van Dam, Jax.
Wait.
I mean Mattel. Roman Reigns, basic Series 42, Mattel. Basic Series 33, I think. CM Punk. And this Elite Rey Mysterio and Jax Shawn Michaels
Hey, more!
and Boogeyman. So I hope you like this video, and please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye!